Before we jump in, please remember to subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. And ever wonder how a magical night on Broadway turned into a whirlwind of online speculation? And it all started with some newly released documents and a name that no one wanted to see associated with the world of Harry Potter, Tahab. In early 2026, author J.K. Rowling found herself addressing claims that she had invited the late Jeffrey Epstein to the opening night of Harry Potter and the Cursed Child on Broadway. The story unfolded as details from unsealed documents connected to the Epstein case surfaced, sparking a frenzy of online debate. And Rowling took to social media, stating plainly that the claims were beyond silly. She firmly denied any contact or invitation, emphasizing that neither she nor anyone on her team had ever communicated with Epstein. So what did these documents actually show? The records released by the U.S. Department of Justice reveal the request for tickets to the premiere. However, the request didn't originate from Rowling herself. It came from Peggy Siegel, Epstein's longtime publicist, who contacted Playground Entertainment, the production company. She requested tickets for an unnamed, very important friend interested in attending opening night. Colin Callender, founder of Playground Entertainment, later clarified that he wasn't informed of the guest's identity at the time. Epstein's name wasn't disclosed when the initial arrangements were made, meaning production staff didn't knowingly approve his attendance. Tickets were delivered, but Epstein was ultimately denied entry. He wasn't on the official guest list, and staff turned him away at the door. He even emailed Siegel the next day, noting he couldn't get in, but dismissed it as no biggie. Much of the confusion stemmed from how Broadway invitations work. Rowling's name appeared on premiere materials simply because she was the creator of the Harry Potter universe, not because she was managing the guest list. Rowling's response focused on this distinction. She stressed that the documents showed no communication between her and Epstein, and that no one on her team authorized an invitation for him. The broader release of Epstein-related files included references to many public figures, often reflecting attempts by Epstein or his representatives to gain access to events. Reviews found no evidence of a personal or professional connection between Epstein and Rowling, and the facts remain clear. Epstein wasn't invited by Rowling. He wasn't on the guest list, and he was turned away at the door. And it's a reminder that sometimes a little magic can't overcome a closed door. Speaking of closed doors, did you hear about the wizard who couldn't get into the library? He said he lost his spelling. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.